of the day. Over to Mangalam now to tell us what the F&O data is indicating as the index moves closer to that 24,500 mark, Mangalam.
Well, the market has pulled back, 6 consecutive weeks of losses on the frontline index, and now it looks like maybe from oversold levels, there has been a bit of a bounce back that we've seen. Almost 100 points for the Nifty Bank doing better as well, and the mid-cap index. And if you look at the tug of war that is taking place in the mid-cap end of things, the advanced decline. Now the green line is marginally above the red line after a bit of a smidge and pull and push in the earlier part of today's trading session, but it's only again marginal. So seems like maybe the first couple of hours did belong to the bounce back. The question is whether it sustains or not. Going from here on the way up would be tough because of a couple of factors. One, even as the markets moved higher, what's also moved higher is the India VIX. Usually for the market to sustain higher, you would like to see the India VIX come off a little bit. And secondly, the Nifty, today's high has been very close to the 100-day moving average of 24,494. So if only we cross beyond that is something that we will watch out for. And can we sustain and cross beyond that? The answer to that question lies on the Nifty Bank. So what's a resistance for the Nifty is actually a support for the Nifty Bank, which is the 100-day moving average, closer to that 55,000 mark. And just as we speak, the IT stocks are picking pace. So if they continue to do higher, you will have two engines of the Nifty taking it higher as well. But amidst all of this, we've seen a lot of shorting activity take place in a couple of stocks, Amber and Blue Star. So all of these consumer discretionary names after a weak summer are seeing some shorting activity, and one stock that is most likely to go into F&O ban today is PG Electroplast. We've been talking about how the stock had underperformed ever since it trimmed its guidance and came out with poor numbers, and the management joined us on this channel today as well. Stock's down another 15%, taking this monthly losses to almost 40%, and with the kind of open interest surge that we've seen at 105% of market-wide position limits this early in the day, the stock's most likely to go into F&O ban. So I'll watch out for that.
All right. So that's the F&O setup. Thank you so much, Mangalam, for joining in with that. Let's go across to